How are you doing, guys? I hope you are doing great and getting on in your life. So today in this video I'm going to talk about WordPress and how you can add schema markup to your WordPress site through a plugin called Rank Math. Okay, so if you are on in blogging field or in website management or website development field, particularly if you are using WordPress, you must have aware with or confronted with Rank Math plugin. It is one of the best SEO plugin when it comes to optimizing your site and ranking your site on Google. Though it is not a promotional video, rather I am just sharing my experience using Rank Math. Okay, so few days ago I got shortlisted by Rank Math company and wrote an article about schema markup. So that's why I thought let's create a video content about it, because I am running out of some ideas. And I am not so active on YouTube. Still I have some time, that's why these days I am making some videos. So thanks to Sri Kajaria bro, the owner of Blogging Raptor, he provided the pro plugin or pro version of Rank Math, and I am using it on my website, on my blog, that is wpthememonk.com. okay, so that's why I am able to show you or demonstrate everything. Okay, so thanks to him. So today I'm going to talk about adding schema markup to your site and how you can get featured on Google ACRP through lots of rich results. Let's say about those star ratings, star marks, all the stuff that help you to demonstrate your site, or that tells more about your site, that is provide additional information like ratings, reviews, in stock, money, the price range, color, attributes, all this stuff. So today I'm going to talk about how you can add schema markup to your site and get featured with these rich snippets or rich result, or on these through rich result on Google ACRP, how you can rank your article or content or product. Okay, so yeah, so today's video is going to be about that. Okay, let's start. Okay, so let's start from the definition of schema markup. If you search on Google, you will get many definition, many explanation of schema markup, or what actually schema markup are in the context of SEO. So let me share the definition. Here you can see schema markup, also known as structured data, is a sort of semantic vocabulary defined by schema.org that helps search engine understand and categorize the content of web pages. It normally directly implemented into the HTML file of your page and provides more information, more additional information, context, category, and the attributes or elements of your content to the search engines, and help search engines understand better about the content. And normally it leads to help your content to rank higher on the ACRP through rich results. About rich results, so there are many types of rich results. Like here I can see rich snippets, and there are many side listings, knowledge base graph, then there are carousel listings, featured snippets, all these stuffs. Okay, so if you have added proper schema markup to your pages, then there is a high chance that your site will get featured through rich result, and you will be attracting lots of organic traffic, lots of clicks from the users, and all in all your business will skyrocket. Okay, so that's what is the definition of schema markup. If you search on Google and go on all the websites content, you will properly understand about it, and it's not that hard. It is sort of a code structure that directly implemented to the HTML file, HTML folder of the page. Here you can see the screenshot, like HTML head, then under the head structure you can see the entire schema markup or schema codes. Okay, so it normally tells more about your content. Like here I can see date published, description, preparation time, cooking time. Yeah, I definitely, it is a web page about recipe, a food recipe. So cake for a party, coffee, then recipe description, all this stuff, recipe, place type, calories, how much calorie you are gonna get through this food. So you can add lots of additional information. And so how can you add schema markup to your pages or post? So for that you need to use Rank Math plugin. I will definitely recommend it. Is very easy, and even the free version provides lots of features, element that you can readily use it and improve the code structure of your website. Even from adding schema markup to improving the SEO, all aspects of SEO under the SEO guidelines, you will be doing it very easily, smoothly. Okay, so I'll definitely recommend you to using Rank Math plugin. So if you go on the WordPress dashboard, you can install Rank Math from this section under plugin. So I'm not talking about how to install Rank Math plugin, rather I'll be just demonstrating how you can use Rank Math to add schema markup to your site. Okay, so first, after installing Rank Math, you just have to click on this button, Rank Math SEO. Then you will have to find titles and meta, and click on titles and meta. Then you have to find post or pages. Let's say you want to add schema markup to the post or pages. If you are WordPress user, you will be knowing all these things. Let's say there are normally about pages, about us, then terms and condition, all this stuff. So if you are normally a blogger or has lots of blog type content, then you have to choose these sections. Or even through post options, we add lots of products or sell products. Okay, so you have to click on post. Then you have to you have to set the default schema to all the pages or post. Here, as we have choose the post, we have to we will be adding schema markup as a default to all the post sections. Okay, all the post under WordPress. So let's choose movies, person, product, recipe, services. So let's choose article schema. Normally, because all the bloggers post lots of content, informative content, for that purpose we will be needing article schema. Okay, so now save it. Why did we choose this option? Normally we target a specific type of product or specific type of subject or niche in a single website, so that's why we have added article schema. If you are selling anything, let's say book, so you have to go with books schema markup. Or if you have let's say do lots of movie reviews on your site, then you have to choose movie schema. Or recipe schema, if you are showing any types of food recipe on your site, then you have to choose any types of schema based on your preferences, needs or requirements. So as we have, let's say, blog article websites, we publish lots of blogs, informative blogs about any topic, about a specific need. So that's why we have chosen here article schema type. So now you have to click on save changes to add the schema type to all the posts. Okay, so if you want to add any type of schema to all the pages, then you have to click on this setting, that is pages. Then you will be getting the same option, same setting. Then you have to click on article or any types of schema markup. Then you have to click on save changes. Okay, now after clicking on save changes, come back to the WordPress dashboard. Then click on post, all post. So you will be seeing all those posts that you have published so far under your website. Okay, so here you can see one thing, that is article blog posting schema has been added to all the posts that you have published so far. Why? Because we have choose article schema to be added to all the pages, to all the posts. As we are running, let's say, blog website, choosing any sort of niche or micro niche, so that's why we have chosen article blog posting schema. So why to choose that? Because we will be having some sort of specific elements, specific attributes of article blog posting schema provided by Rank Math, so that we can tell more about our website, more about the pages, post, that will help the search engines better understand about the content. So that is the main reason. Let's one of this post, and we will also be customizing that schema markup that we have added, and we will be adding lots of attributes. So here I have opened that post. Here you can see the entire blog. This is the heading with all the introduction, thumbnail, table of contents, then the demonstration of everything under this content. Okay, so here you can see in the right side the Rank Math setting, and you can also see the schema markup feature. If you click on this particular setting, you will get all the settings, all the features provided by Rank Math. Here you can see the metadata, meta title, along with the meta description. So here you can see some advanced option, then the schema markup. So as we have added article schema to our blog, so you have see the article schema here. Now click on the edit button. Now you can see the headlines, description, keywords, all the stuff that we normally have to add to our schema markup settings, so that we can tell more about our particular blog, particular article to the search engines. Okay, so here we have no, I'm not adding it, just I'm demonstrating everything. So then after that you have to click on save for this post. Okay, now let's say we want to add more information, more additional information to this particular post. So for that thing we have to click on this particular feature called advanced editor. So if you click on this thing, you will get an entire attribute entire setting where you can add lots of attributes, lots of information to the product, and even you can add more specific attributes or characteristics that you want to add to this particular post. So keyword description, headlines, data published, all the stuff, color types. Then based on your article you can add lots of attributes through this setting. Okay, normally you can add lots of settings through that basic feature, but through that advanced feature you can add lots of properties. Okay, so if you click on this add property, they will include another property, and you can add more thing to your particular site based on your requirements. Okay, then you have to click on save for this post. That's how you can add schema markup to your post or to your pages. So here you have used article schema. So now let's say you want to add more schema to your post. Okay, so for that thing you need to get the access of Rank Math Pro versions. Otherwise you will not be able to add more than one schema at a time to a particular blog, to a particular post. But as we are using Rank Math Pro version, so we can add multiple schema at a time. So let's choose product schema. Now you have to fill out everything from price, currency. As it is a product, we will be demonstrating everything through this particular schema builder. Let's say pros, any product has a pros. Let's say there is a product called, let's say, book, or any sort of any vehicle, any bike, any car, any sorts of digital or physical product. That product will have a pros, that pros will be added here, then cons, then ratings, then the availability of that product, sold out, pre-order or in stock, then the price, then the currency. Okay, so you will be adding all these things, then you have to click on this save for this post. So that's how you will be adding multiple schema to a particular post or page. So yeah, so this was the demonstration about how you can add schema markup to a particular post. If you want to add schema markup to a pages, the process will be the same. Just you need to click on the some different settings that I have demonstrated in the earlier. So you have to click on the pages, then you will be getting this particular feature. Then you have to click on article or book, any courses, any of the schema. Then you have to come on your WordPress dashboard. Then you have to add or customize, add and customize this schema markup. Yeah, so that's how you do it. Okay, so that's for today. I will come up with a new video. Thank you.